Hello, first grade. Congratulations, you made it. You're at your very last spelling test of the school year. I am so proud of each and every one of you. I have loved watching your work and seeing your spelling work, and I know that you've been practicing. And goodness knows we have just wrapped ourselves in these planets. So I am not worried at all. And what we're doing today is we're going to take our spelling test on the last 4 planets of our solar system beyond the asteroid belt. These are the gas giants. We're going to start with the largest planet of the solar system. This one has a great red spot, which is a storm. And we know that that storm has been going for about 350 years. So this is Jupiter. J, U, P, I, T, R. J, U, P, I, T, R. Jupiter. Moving on to the next and the second biggest planet. This is Saturn. Saturn with its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Saturn. This is a different than the one up here. Saturn. Okay. Moving on to that sideways planet, Uranus. Uranus also has rings, although not as beautiful as the ones on Saturn. Uranus is neat because it's tipped over. Uranus. 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 All right, and our very last one, the farthest planet from our sun in the solar system is Neptune, also with a great dark spot. And Neptune is full of those swirling storms, and it is also a beautiful blue. Neptune. Neptune. Okay. All right, so remember, you can always go back. You can pause me, whatever you need to do in order to finish those. And you can answer the extra question at the top right box. Which planet is the largest planet in our solar system? Is it A, Mercury, B, Goofy, or C, Jupiter? And then extra fun, color in these planets what you know about their surface. All right, excellent work on your last spelling test of the school year. Super proud of each and every one of you. Have a great day.